Welcome to the introductory tutorial for Hue, a creative and fun-loving Joomla template. So let's jump right in. So as you see here on our home page, we have some nice bouncing colorful circles, and that's with our JParticles effect library. And as we scroll down here, you'll see we have another effect. The header darkens as you scroll, and we've got a rotating logo. And then we have another little subtle effect here on our story. It's just something nice and creative. And as we're scrolling further, you'll see we have the back to top button on the bottom right. And then we have a nice area here of videos from our video blog with some background circle scrolling effects. And then we jump down to our video gallery with a fly-in circle. And then some more background animation effects here on the Meet the Team area. And as we get to the bottom, we've got our team, and then we have our logo. So let's go over the positions here that the template is using. So up here in the top left is your logo, and that's not actually a module position, that's in the template framework. You can have a logo for your desktop and for the mobile. And over here in the menu bar right, we have our main menu with our drop downs. And then here in the inset position, we have our hero text with the social network icons and our JParticles. And then when we get down to user one, we just have a custom HTML module here with just bootstrapped 2 columns and a title and our background image with the animation. User 13, we just have an image here with some demo logos. In user 19, this is our Deluxe News Pro, and this is pulling in articles. And the intro for the article is just a video embedded with our quick YouTube video plugin. And then this text here is actually the text from the full text of the article. As we scroll down, then in user 25, this is just a custom HTML module, and this is just a little circle, and it's linking to an article with our gallery. So if we scroll down here to our user 31, we get Meet the Team, and Meet the Team is actually our Joomla contact wall. This is pulling information from the Joomla contact component. It's pulling the image, it's pulling the miscellaneous text for the Meet the Team, the email fields are hard-coded in there, so it goes ahead and sends an email to you. And the social icons, those are actually the extra fields inside of the contact component. We've added extra fields for the links for Facebook, for Twitter, YouTube, Vimeo. The phone links directly to the contact component, and the map, you can link it to a Google map. And that's all inside of the contact component, and you can also edit the whole thing inside of the module if you want to change it, but we'll get into that in the administration video. And then at the very bottom, this is our Deluxe News Pro down here with the people with a little hover effect. And these are just articles. And at the very bottom, we have our logo and a custom HTML module. So let's go ahead and check out the different styles. So we have style 2 here, which is a green-based design. Some cool colors going on there if you want something colorful. Funny Meet the Team picture. Then if we go to style 3, style 3 is based on more kind of browns and oranges. And then style 4, we changed it up a little bit here. We've got a darker style. And then we actually put the girls that were down there in the bottom here in the middle. We have some cool little shapes moving in the background there. A little different view of our gallery. And then Meet the Team. So let's go ahead and check out the styles in the inner pages real quickly here. So let's show you what this gallery does here. So if we go down to the gallery, we're going to click on gallery, and then we have our gallery here. And again, this photo gallery was created using the JoomlaXTC image gallery plugin. You can click on the images and go through them. So we have our blog. Here's the standard blog layout. We have a 2-column video blog, and these are the videos that are used on the front page. And of course, we have our standard alternative layouts. We have a cascading grid. We have our FAQ page. Our features. This is the featured right, featured center, featured left. And if you're new to our framework, these are all just content overrides. So when you go ahead and create a menu item for your blog layout, you can select from any of these layouts right there. And let's continue with the pricing tables. This is just a category. Of course, we've seen the photo gallery. So let's look at the staff blog. There's our staff blog. And then we also have a timeline. Here's the featured timeline. And with our framework, we can do different layouts. And this is all based on the order of the regions in the back end of the template. So the way that the JoomlaXTC framework is created is this inset position would be region 1. Then your user 1 through 6, which is in this region, is region 2. Then region 3 is a component. It's not shown on the front page, so this HGTV and everything is in region 4. The News Pro's in region 5. So what we can do is we can go ahead and switch the region order, because the region order goes 1 through 12. So if we say that we want to switch the region order around, we can get a different layout. And this is really good for prototyping your site, because you might want to go ahead and put everything in here and go, okay, this looks great, but what if things were flipped around a little bit? So you can do this real simply. We're going to look at layout 1 here. So you see with layout 1, it's fine. Now we've changed it a little bit. See, so what was in the bottom here is now in the middle area, and it looks kind of nice. You know, it's something to consider. So let's go ahead and look at another layout. See, we moved the bar up here now. It's nice. Photo gallery, everything's the same. So let's check out another layout. See, we moved the bar down to the bottom. Now we put the video gallery in here. So this right here, this is showing you how a very simple site. So if you just want it to be real simple and just say, okay, straight to the point, loading quickly, here's our hero area, here is our story, here's our gallery, and that's it. And here's one more example of just very basic. Here is your inset area, here is your logos, and meet the team, and that's it. So that's the introductory tutorial for Hue design. Check our next video, which will be the administrator video, to show you how everything's set up in here. We hope you enjoy the template, and we'll see you in the next video.